So how do you actually create better YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my 5 tips for creating YouTube thumbnails that look good. Let's get started. What's up guys, my name is Jenrick Aquino and I'm a YouTuber who helps YouTubers specifically about mobile video creators, and today we're going to be talking about YouTube thumbnails and how to actually improve them. So first things off, what are YouTube thumbnails? YouTube thumbnails are the book covers of the online video world. It is an eye-catching image that draws us in, while a boring or blurry one puts us off. And not only that, it's the one that drives you views, it's the one that drives you watch time, and it's the one that drives you clicks. So you can really see that YouTube thumbnails are extremely important. But how do you actually create good looking ones? So let's start with tip number 1. Use big and bold text. Using big bold text in your thumbnails is extremely important, and that is because if you do it, it can boost up your thumbnail game. It's because people can easily understand what's going on your thumbnail. People can easily read what's going on the thumbnail, what's going on with the text. So that is why it's extremely important. For example, if you look at my channel's thumbnails, you may notice that I actually use big, bold text. And I'm doing that, it's because I want my viewers to easily understand what is going on my thumbnails, especially if they're viewing it on a smallest form on a mobile device. Number 2, don't put too many words. Cluttering your image up with words or text is never going to work. It's not even gonna help you, and no one's gonna ever click on your thumbnail if you do it. For example, if you look at the thumbnail on this video, it only has 3 words. Better YouTube thumbnails. And if you're gonna be using text on your thumbnails or words, then I recommend 5 words or less, so that your thumbnails can easily be understood, it can easily be read, and of course, boost up the quality. Number 3, add graphics to your YouTube thumbnails. Adding graphics to your YouTube thumbnails will make your thumbnails not be boring. It will make your thumbnails bright and colorful. It's gonna tell a portion of the story, and it's also helping your thumbnails stand out. And some people may succeed with thumbnails with no graphics, but a lot of people don't. So make sure, if you're not using any graphics on your thumbnails, make sure to add graphics on your thumbnails after watching this video. It's very beneficial. Okay, what number are we? We're number 4. Use faces in your YouTube thumbnails if you can. Now, it might not work for your niche, but if it does work, then definitely do it. And that is because data has proven that thumbnails with faces do get more clicks than thumbnails with faces. And of course, this is just optional. Now, if you're gonna be adding a face on your YouTube thumbnails, then definitely think about the expression or the emotion you're going to be showing. And that is because you don't want your thumbnails to be boring. You don't want to just smile. If you're gonna be adding a face on your thumbnails, definitely think about an emotion or an expression or something like this. You know, so as simple as that. You don't want your thumbnails to be boring. Again, you want to catch the viewer's eye so that someone will watch your videos, or so that your thumbnails will get clicks. And of course, to make YouTube thumbnails, you're gonna need some software or app. So click the video on the screen now, because that's a video of mine where I basically show you guys my 5 best thumbnail maker apps for Android and iOS. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay home, stay safe, have fun creating, and I'll see you next time.